What do you get when you cross a duck, a beaver, and a porcupine? How about a fish that looks like a plant, or a worm that can survive in space? These are not jokes, but real animals that exist on our planet. In this video, we're going to show you 11 animals that redefine uniqueness. These animals will blow your mind with their amazing adaptations, appearances, and abilities. You won't believe your eyes when you see them. But before we dive into the world of weird and wonderful wildlife, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to get notified of our future videos. We upload new videos every week, so stay tuned for more amazing animal facts and stories. In this video, you'll discover animals that can change their color, shape, and even gender. You'll also learn about animals that can survive extreme conditions, such as freezing temperatures, scorching heat, and toxic environments. And you'll meet animals that have some of the most unusual and impressive abilities, such as flying, glowing, and regenerating. Are you ready to be amazed? Let's get started. Number 1. The mimic octopus. The mimic octopus is one of the most remarkable animals in the ocean. It can change its color, texture, and shape to imitate other animals, such as sea snakes, lionfish, and stingrays. It uses this ability to avoid predators, attract prey, and communicate with other octopuses. The mimic octopus is also very intelligent and can learn new behaviors by observing other animals. Number 2. The axolotl. The axolotl is a type of salamander that has a unique feature. It can regenerate almost any part of its body, including its limbs, tail, heart, and brain. It can also heal without scarring. The axolotl is native to Mexico, where it lives in freshwater lakes and canals. Unfortunately, it is critically endangered due to habitat loss, pollution, and overharvesting. Number 3. The platypus. The platypus is one of the most unusual animals in the world. It has a duck-like bill, a beaver-like tail, and webbed feet. It is also one of the few mammals that lay eggs instead of giving birth to live young. But that's not all. The platypus also has venomous spurs on its hind legs, which it uses to defend itself from predators and rivals. It can sense electric fields with its bill, which helps it find food underwater. Number 4. The tardigrade. The tardigrade, also known as the water bear, is one of the most resilient animals on Earth. It can survive in extreme environments such as boiling water, freezing ice, and outer space. It can also withstand high levels of radiation, pressure, and dehydration. It does this by entering a state of suspended animation, where it reduces its metabolism and water content. The tardigrade can remain in this state for years until the conditions improve. Number 5. The narwhal. The narwhal is a type of whale that has a long spiral tusk that protrudes from its head. The tusk is a modified tooth that can grow up to 3 meters long. The tusk is used for various purposes, such as sensing the environment, breaking ice, and fighting with other narwhals. The narwhal is also known as the unicorn of the sea because of its mythical and mysterious appearance. Number 6. The leafy sea dragon. The leafy sea dragon is a type of fish that looks like a floating piece of seaweed. It has leaf-like appendages that camouflage it from predators and prey. It also has a long tubular snout that it uses to suck up small crustaceans and plankton. The leafy sea dragon is native to Australia, where it lives in shallow, temperate waters. It is a protected species, and it is illegal to collect or trade it. Number 7. The pangolin. The pangolin is a mammal that has scales made of keratin, the same material as human hair and nails. The scales cover most of its body, except for its belly, face, and ears. The pangolin can roll up into a ball to protect itself from predators, such as lions and hyenas. It can also spray a foul-smelling liquid from its anal glands, similar to a skunk. The pangolin is the most trafficked animal in the world due to the demand for its scales and meat. Number 8. The flying squirrel. The flying squirrel is a type of rodent that can glide through the air using a membrane of skin that stretches between its limbs. It can steer and control its flight by adjusting its tail and limbs. It can also land softly and safely by using its claws and pads. The flying squirrel is nocturnal and has large eyes that help it see in the dark. It lives in forests across North America, Europe, and Asia. Number 9. The firefly. The firefly is an insect that can produce light from its abdomen. It uses this light to communicate with other fireflies, especially during mating season. The light is produced by a chemical reaction that involves oxygen, luciferin, and an enzyme called luciferase. The firefly can control the intensity and frequency of its flashes, creating different patterns and signals. The firefly is also known as the lightning bug because it resembles a flash of lightning. Number 10. The clownfish. The clownfish is a type of fish that lives in a symbiotic relationship with sea anemones. The sea anemone provides protection and shelter for the clownfish, while the clownfish cleans and defends the sea anemone from predators and parasites. The clownfish is also immune to the stinging cells of the sea anemone, thanks to a layer of mucus that covers its body. The clownfish is also one of the few animals that can change its gender depending on the social hierarchy of its group. Number 11. The blobfish. The blobfish is a type of fish that lives in the deep sea, where the pressure is very high. It has a gelatinous body that is slightly less dense than water, which allows it to float above the seafloor without using much energy. It also has no bones, muscles, or teeth, and it feeds by swallowing whatever floats in front of its mouth. The blobfish looks very different when it is brought to the surface, where the pressure is much lower. It becomes distorted and deflated, resembling a blob of goo. Conclusion. And there you have it, 11 animals that redefine uniqueness. These animals are truly amazing and show us the diversity and beauty of life on Earth. Which one of these animals did you find the most interesting? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video and share it with your friends and family. Thank you for watching Amazing Animals. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more, make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified of our future videos. We upload new videos every week, so stay tuned for more amazing animal facts and stories. Until next time, bye for now.